Hello friends, today I'll tell you how to draw a stingray. For that, first we'll draw a diamond. Then draw a tail. A spine. Then draw a wiggly lines. Rub this line, straight line. Darken it. Draw the eyes, gills, add some details, draw fine lines. This is how you can draw a stingray. Now let's start with a turtle. So first draw a straight line, then draw a curve joining these 2 points. Another curve on the opposite direction. Draw one more curve inside this oval. Now divide this line, draw a point in the center and divide this line in equal parts. Here are 8 equal segments. Then draw a vertical line, small vertical lines in those points. Join these points with the help of V and inverted V. These are the hexagons. Join the vertical line. Draw few more vertical lines here and join them with the V's. Draw the vertical line. Join them with V's. So this forms the shell of the turtle. Now draw the head. Draw an eye. Mouth. Draw the flippers, tail, now add patterns or scales. If you want to do more shading, you can do that, and rub this central line carefully. This is how you can draw a turtle. If you want, you can do a bit of shading and smudging. So I did it earlier here. This is how you can draw a stingray and a turtle. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.